COSTWAY Retro Countertop Microwave Oven. 5 microwave power levels, featuring with 5 power levels defrost. M.Low 40p, High 80p, High 100p, and speed cooking. This microwave oven is designed to meet your various cooking needs. It could not only keep food warm and delicious but also service for defrosting and cook the food. Check the link in the description below to get the most updated price in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale. What makes this product a smarter choice? Number 1. 360 degrees rotating evenly heating. 360 degrees heating and rotation of glass turntable during operation helps cook food more evenly and then improves the cooking efficiency, so you will enjoy fresh and delicious food within a short time. Meanwhile, the detachable design makes it convenient for cleaning after each operation. Number 2. Simple operation and auto reminder. There are 2 mechanical knobs and 2 buttons on the microwave oven for you to select power level and time from 0 to 60 minutes. Easy to read LED display clearly shows remaining cooking time and when the cooking procedure has finished. 3 beep sounds will be heard. Number 3. Customizable auto cooking mode. The retro microwave oven has a default cooking menu for popular foods such as popcorn, pizza, potatoes. After selecting the menu, enter the menu weight selection and press the start button to start cooking. The automatic cooking program menu operation brings convenience and efficiency to your life. Number 4. Technical and intimate detail. Overall dimension, 19.5 inches length by 14 inches width by 11 inches height. Turntable diameter, 10.5 inches. Capacity, 0.9 cubic feet. Output power, 900 watt. ETL certified and UL certified power cord. Designed with a child lock function. You could hold the pause, cancel button for 3 seconds to set or cancel the child lock and avoid being used by the child without supervision. And so much more. Thanks for watching. I leave my affiliate links down in the video description below. Click on those links and they'll give you most updated prices in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale.